management. And wala pa, hindi ko pa nalagay yung STE students ko dito sa class of STE students or dito sa STE class ko. Okay, so let's move on here. We have also reports kung merong mga activities yung students. We have stats, we have charts, we have also preferences. Yung preferences natin is dito natin makikita yung company name. I-edit natin to, i-edit to, and then we can have also the image or we have image, pick up image or remove the image if you like. And then let's browse this up. Down here we have the color scheme. Kung meron kayong gustong kulay na, you can change the color of the content or the color preferences natin. So pwedeng ito yung kulay, pwede rin pula, pwede rin orange, or doon tawag dito, and we can change depending kung ano yung gusto mong gawin dito sa loob, no? Ito modify, diba? Nasabi nga, i-modify natin. Okay, if you're done, kung nakuha mo na, just check this one, and dito yung itsura niya. Okay, but for me, I prefer for the blue one. Okay, blue yung gusto ko. Okay, so that's it. This is all about the SAM application. Now, paano natin i-enter yung students? Example, ito yung students natin. Sa media art class sila, naka-assign. So, kung magdadagdag tayo ng students, just click this one. Just click this area, and then we can type the names here. Just example, yung name ng students natin is Alex, di ba? Alex. Yan, yung last name niya is this one is, let's say, Alexis. Alexis yung pangalan niya. Alexis. Okay. Tas yung, and then okay natin yan. Then we have last name natin is active sa media arts. Ito na, mayroon akong example na dito na 5 students. Here. Magpunta ng school, nasa ID nila to. Okay, ilagay mo sa ID, and then you can have now the actual monitoring of the students, of your students, using this QR code. Again, this application is, the name of this application is SAM. Thank you so much, and goodbye.